Yesterday we made a 3-hour trek down to Punta Gorda, down to 74 MX to do a little ladies' day, you know, get some sand facials, a little exfoliation, a little girl chat, more like dirt biking, and that was sick. Met up with Monika, Alexis, met up with Laura, and then we met Katie when we were there, so it was a really awesome time. I thought it'd be fun to bring you guys along on the journey. Or maybe you just like snap your fingers and then change. Man, they can never hold it.
That was scary.
Okay, when you pull in, I'm at the second Pragula. Actually, that's a lie. I'm at the second Pragula after you pay. And I butchered the word again. Anyway, look for a shitty red Toyota pickup truck. I'm like towards the back after the...
Excuse me, ma'am. Is this
jump.
the second perugula? I counted like 5, so I wasn't sure.
I literally am gonna remember this moment the rest of my life.
Sweating already. It's 90 out today. Monika's getting interviewed right now.
Alright, my name is Monika.
Monika, do you have any goals out there today?
No, but I should set goals. Okay, my goal is Adam's suggestion, which is to make that smoother and to not bounce off of those.
The whoops.
Rollers?
Whoops.
Whoops.
Those are rollers.
Rollers. Yeah. To absorb them, not to bounce off of them.
The idea in a roller section is like put your rear wheel on the ground. You don't want to hop. Let her jump in the roller.
Or are you just keeping? Woo. She went for it.
I admire Laura because she just goes for stuff. Like, she's pretty new to riding too, and she just goes for it. Whereas I'm like terrified. You know, I'm terrified of falling. There's like fear.
For you to start with is to get used to just sucking, like letting the whoop come up to you and not pushing off of it. You know what I mean?
Advice for you. Go out on the track and just don't die.
I just was like so, you know, when you're just like moving too fast all day, and then that's where we're at right now. I'm glad you got that on video. I'm like, yeah, I'm looking at my pants and I'm like, something is wrong here. I thanked her for coming up because I would have never gone up. Now it's just, everything snowballs. You meet one person and then you meet more people.
Oh my
same thing.
I did not feel 100% today. But I was thinking today, I think this is like kind of related to like I can't map out things in my head either.
Yeah.
Like I can't I'm not good with that type of thing.
And the turns just make me really nervous too. Sometimes, like other times, I'm like, all right, cool. I really have this down. Like, just go through it. Don't think about it. Just go through it.
When you started, did you feel like you caught on super fast?
Well, I was doing private lessons like for a year, maybe like for like once a week.
Who did you learn from?
Kyle Williamson. I don't think he's doing lessons anymore.
That's cool. That's super cool. That's how I kind of started too, to be honest.
When I started, I never thought I would be doing like the jumps that I'm doing.
It's nice that people are doing cool things in their 30s too, because you always feel like once you get 30, you're like old and you can't do anything anymore, which obviously is not true.
Yeah. But everyone's such denial about turning 30. Everybody's like, oh, 30's the best years.
Yeah, they
They're
do
so
say
great.
that. Yeah, you're like, you just stop caring what other people think, and you're just, you know yourself, and you're like, yeah, okay, but like, I'm 30.
This thing is gonna fucking work.
I was like, oh shit! I really it doesn't work. Oh my god! I really wanted to pop it and like spread on you, but I feel like we should do that as a team. Working. Wow, this is crazy. Okay, to you. Happy birthday. To you. Is this a symbol? Oh, that is so cute. Thanks, you guys. That was so nice of you. How'd you know champagne was my favorite?
Was champagne really your favorite?
Actually, it is.
Get the
I literally am gonna remember this moment the rest of my life.
Should I sing happy birthday again?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Alexis. Happy birthday to you. Woohoo! Woo!
I made the best.
Now you're officially 30. I'm sorry.
Yeah. I want to come here and be that fucking chick who couldn't like load up my own bike, which honestly, in hindsight, isn't a big deal. Like I think a lot of people struggle with it, and it's no big deal to ask Dan for help or anybody for help.
Sure, but like if you can make your life easier, why wouldn't you? You know what I'm saying? Like,
It's nice because people are always like, "Oh, do you need help?" And I'm like, you know, they're nice. Yeah. And it's like I'm like, "No, I got it," and then they're like, "Okay, yeah, she's got it."
yeah.
Wow. Okay, that is really handy. It just is really nice.
Step Ramp is gonna owe us for this commercial.
No, fuck that. Because we're best friends.
Because we're the two. What is that song?
Three best friends.
But
there's more. Go, King.
I like that's my best friend. She a real bad bitch. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba.
Ending the vlog on a positive high note. Bye, vlog.
Bye, vlog.
High five. High five. Good day. Good times. Had by all.
I didn't want that on the front camera.
So that was our day. If you liked what you saw, give it a thumbs up and subscribe below for videos to come. I just want to leave you with a little reminder that we all start somewhere. If you're a beginner, if you have fear, if you're scared, if you're just figuring all this out, I'm right there with you, girl. Every single one of us starts somewhere. Some of us have been riding for 1 year, some of us for 5 years, but none of us thought we'd be out there doing what we're doing today or yesterday. So just want to give you that reminder. And secondly, none of us knew each other before this winter. So we all met on Instagram. So even if you're still looking for your girl gang, I promise you they're out there. Just don't be afraid to reach out, talk to people out on the track. You never know what'll come of it. Till next time, guys. See ya.